I just woke up because we have a tornado warning, I think, in our area. I was sleeping, and then I was woken up by tornado sirens. My local tornado siren started blasting off.
Because I felt like something bad was going to happen.
This is what it looks like outside.
And then I thought that there was something happening.
I kind of want.
You want to go out? Go ahead.
I don't think that.
I just want to like.
Jack, there could be lightning.
Jack, that's fine.
Listen. I hear 2001s. I swear I just heard a 2001. I swear I just heard a 2001. Or it's out of WS 2000R or 3000. I'm just joking. I know those were already replaced in the system. That is crazy. Oh. Should we turn on the TV? I hear low pitch wheeling. Wait, Mom, take a listen, quick.
Okay.
Listen. Those are other sirens. You hear them?
Yeah, I hear him.
You hear other sirens? Those are like 2001s and stuff. I heard like a low pitch wheeling somewhere. That was crazy.
That was.